Model, 2017 Plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 1.6 Cdti needs head gasket ULEZ Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 96,858. MOT, the 15th of September 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PSE6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking non-runner. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, Euro status.